Hello MiniCooper fanatics, welcome back in MiniCooper garage. This beautiful, wonderful 2006 Mini is patiently waiting here for the clutch replacement. I really took a lot of time because I was busy with starting this shop, but anyway, the parts came. So let's go and see the unboxing, what really came, if everything's there, and if I can do this job this weekend. So here is the box, and let's see together what's inside. These sets are normally costing around 300 bucks, right? This one was cheaper, it came from eBay. Here we go, can't you see it actually? Yeah. Let's see it. Here is probably packing list. Okay, clutch kit. It's just a kit, it's not like a bunch of parts. And this one is from the company LUK. Let's have a look what's inside. Okay. Obviously, the part of the whole thing has to be throw-out bearing, right? This is the whole pressure plate. Let me show it to you closer, right? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm actually getting excited right now. That poor Mini, I really have to say, was very patient with me because I was so busy working in this building, in this shop, trying to open and do it. So here is the clutch itself, right? Now what I didn't say, this is the 5-speed non-supercharged, which of course you guys can see there's missing that S, right? So the clutch is completely different than on 2006 supercharged Mini. Once again, I will show you this detail here. And yeah, I believe you are getting excited too because you know what it means. I will be replacing that clutch and I will film at least some section of the job, the important parts, when I will be doing it. Of course, you guys know I forgot one thing in the box, right? What is that? Well, the clutch alignment tool, right? Without that, the kit will be worthless because that clutch really needs to be aligned, right? The whole thing. Otherwise you cannot bolt it down. It will be not sitting properly there. So it is part of this set. So my friend, thank you for sticking around. Thank you for subscribing because I'm trying to build a community of the Mini enthusiasts. You know, the people who own them, love them, drive them. So please be subscribed and trust me, I will be making more videos for you, I guess this weekend. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.